In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google's AI Studio to learn virtually anything, and potentially how to make your Jarvis-like voice assistant, which is always available for you, which can see whatever you are doing on your screen, can guide you, or even be your expert AI teacher from which you can learn virtually anything. And as a bonus, I'll also tell you how to use it on your phone so that you can use your phone camera as a real-time AI expert assistant which can answer virtually anything that you can ask for. You can ask it to identify monuments in real life, or you can point it towards some ingredients that you have in your fridge and ask it what's the best nutritious meal that you can make out of whatever you're having. For those of you guys who are new here, my name is Rish and I have an automation and AI agency, and we help business and enterprise customers to automate their business workflows using latest AI technologies. So let's get started for this video. So when we talk about AI, we usually think about ChatGPT and OpenAI. But Google is the one that is doing amazing innovation in the AI and especially the enterprise AI space. With things like Notebook LLM and Gemini, Google has really integrated AI into the real-world business use cases. While you can use ChatGPT primarily as a chatbot, which usually a lot of people use it for, while people like you and I can create automations and AI applications with the use of API, but a general person usually use it as an AI chatbot. But Google has beautifully integrated its AI technologies with the business enterprise ecosystem so that the AI is actually useful to you and gives you some tangible results. One such innovation from Google is Google AI Studio, and it has a lot of features, but today we are going to focus on the real-time streaming API of Google AI Studio. That's a Google AI innovation which can look at your screen in real time, that is in streaming real time, and assist you with whatever questions you might be having while navigating a particular website, an app, or just about learning anything on your laptop or on your phone. Okay, to access Google AI Studio, all you have to do is to go to aistudio.google.com. And this is the default screen that you are going to be presented with. On the left, you will see all these different projects that Google has introduced. But for this video, we are going to focus only on the Stream Real-Time product of Google AI Studio. I'm also going to teach you all of the other stuff in later videos, so make sure you are subscribed. For this one, this is going to enable you to create or talk to an AI just like Jarvis, and with this, you can actually make AI useful in your day-to-day lives and business. So this one is called Talk with Gemini Live, and this is interact with Gemini using text, voice, video, or screen sharing. So like I told you, you can talk to Gemini or you can show Gemini stuff, and you can also share your screen and do both, talk to it and show your stuff. So for this one, you're going to use the third option because the first two are actually the subset of the last one. Let's go ahead and let's share my screen, and let me share my Cloudflare dashboard. Hey Google, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. It shows a Cloudflare dashboard.
Okay, good. So I want to learn about Cloudflare pages. Can you tell me where to find that product inside this website?
Okay, it seems that you want to learn about Cloudflare pages. Unfortunately, it is not in the section you're currently viewing. Cloudflare pages is located in a different menu. Would you like me to show you where it is?
Yes, just show and don't ask again and again.
Okay, to access Cloudflare pages, look for the Workers and Pages option in the left-hand menu and click on it. You find Cloudflare pages there.
I don't see it yet. Where to go? Can you see my pointer?
Yes, I can see your pointer. It's currently hovering over the Workers for Platforms option in the left-hand menu.
Where to find Cloudflare pages?
My apologies, I misspoke earlier. Cloudflare Pages is located under the Workers and Pages option, which is directly below the Compute Workers option in the left menu. Please select that option.
Okay, I see it. So I'm here. What do I do now?
Now that you're on the Workers and Pages page, you can create a new project by clicking the Create button. Would you like to do that now, or would you like me to explain the options available here?
No, let's do it. So I'm going to hit that. What do I see now?
After clicking Create, you're now on the Create an Application page. You have the option to create a worker or a page. Also, you can choose to create from a template. Which path do you prefer to take?
I just want to deploy website using Cloudflare pages. How do I do it from here?
Okay, since you want to deploy a website using Cloudflare Pages, click on the Pages tab near the top of the page. This will take you to the section where you can create and deploy websites.
Okay, thanks, Gemini.
You're welcome. It looks like you can either connect.
Okay, so you just saw that Gemini was able to teach me how to navigate to Cloudflare pages by just opening the Cloudflare website. That is incredible because if I'm out there with something unknown that I have no idea about, the usual way would have been to do a Google search, read some articles, watch some videos, and then go about it. But with real-time Gemini AI, I can just ask Gemini where to go, what to do, and just do it. So that will save me a lot of time and effort, and I can use my time wisely. But this was just a website share that I did with Gemini. Let's make it a little bit harder for Gemini and let's share a Photoshop screen with it and let's see if it can guide me to do things that I have no idea about how to do inside Photoshop. So let's share the screen again. Can you see my screen, Gemini?
Yes, I can see your screen. It looks like you have an image of the Golden Gate Bridge open in Adobe Photoshop.
Okay, I want to add contrast on this image. How do I do it?
Sure, you can increase the contrast of the image in Photoshop in a few ways. One option is to go to Image, then Adjustments, and then select Brightness/Contrast to adjust these sliders directly. Would you like me to explain another way?
Tell me the easiest way. I want to do it.
Okay, the easiest way to adjust contrast is to use the adjustment layers. At the bottom of the layers panel, click the icon that looks like a half-filled circle. In the menu, click Brightness/Contrast.
Where is the layers panel?
The layers panel is on the bottom right side of the Photoshop window. It's the panel that currently has background selected.
Okay, where to go from there?
Okay, now at the bottom of the layers panel, there's a small icon that looks like a circle that is half filled in. Click that. Then, from the menu that appears, choose Brightness/Contrast.
And now?
Now you can use the sliders in the Properties panel to adjust the brightness and contrast of your image. The Contrast slider is the one you'll want to adjust to increase the contrast. Do you need help with anything else?
Did I do it correctly?
Yes, it looks like you correctly increased the contrast. The image now has more visual depth. Do you want to adjust it further or do something else?
No, thank you. So you just saw that Gemini was also able to guide me and teach me how to do stuff in Photoshop, which I had no idea about. Actually, I had, but I had to play dumb for this video. But you get the point that Gemini can also do stuff that right now no other AI is able to do it. And by that, I mean actually adding value to your life. Now, the third and the final test would be to test AI about the thing that is the most difficult to crack, and that is video. And for that, I'm going to use DaVinci Resolve because that's the most advanced and the most complex of the video editors available right now, because I want to be hard on Gemini and see how it can navigate through all those complex menus, small icons, and everything to just give me what I want. So let's do that right now. Hey Gemini, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. It looks like you are using DaVinci Resolve and you have a clip of a mountain range loaded into the timeline.
Great. So how do I add a text overlay on this?
Okay, I can help with that. To add a text overlay, you should go to the Effects library, find the Text Plus effect, drag that onto the timeline above your video clip, and then you can type and style your text in the inspector window.
Where is that? I'm not able to find it.
The Effects library button is on the bottom left of the screen. It's the one that looks like a magic wand, right next to the Media Pool button.
Okay, it's getting it wrong, but let's keep going. Okay, so I'm at the Effects panel. What do I do now?
I'll keep guiding you. Okay, you've clicked on the Effects library button, which is good. Now, on the left sidebar, you should see a list of different effect categories. Look for a category called Titles and click on the small arrow to expand it.
Okay. Now,
Now in the Titles category, find the Text Plus effect and drag it from the effects library into your timeline above your video clip.
okay, I got it.
Great! Now that you have the Text Plus effect in your timeline, you can click on it to open up its settings in the Inspector panel, located on the upper right side of the screen. There, you can type your text and adjust its font, size, color, and position.
What can you see what I have added?
Yes, I can see the text overlay. It says, "This is Gemini." Is there anything else I can help you with?
Okay, how do I color grade this clip?
Okay, to color grade the clip, you'll need to go to the Color tab, which is next to the Edit tab at the bottom of your screen. Click on the Color tab, and you'll be able to make color adjustments.
Am I on the correct screen?
Yes, you are on the correct screen now. You're in the color grading workspace, ready to adjust the colors of your video.
How do I start?
Alright, you can start by selecting the clip you want to color grade from the timeline. Once it's selected, you'll see several tools below the viewer, such as hue, saturation, and luminance that you can adjust. You can also make use of the color wheels on the bottom left to adjust lift, gamma, and gain.
What does gamma do?
Gamma in color grading refers to the midtones of an image. It's one of the color wheels available on DaVinci Resolve. You can adjust it to brighten or darken only the midtones of your video.
Nice. Okay, so you just saw that Gemini was also able to guide me into DaVinci Resolve, which is an extremely complex software to even navigate by humans. It didn't get it right like 100%, but it almost got it. And it's only going to get better in future. And by now, you should be able to figure out the immense possibilities this is having. And like I promised, I'm also going to tell you how to use it on your phone so that you can actually do some really interesting stuff in your real life. So let's go with that. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll go to the same URL, that is aistudio.google.com on my phone, and this is what I see. Now I have two options. One is talk to Gemini and other is show Gemini. Talk to Gemini is simple stuff that we usually do with AI assistants, like we talk to them, but show Gemini is where the magic happens. So when I click that, I will allow microphone and allow camera, and this is what I see. So can you, Gemini, can you tell me what you see?
Sure, I see a white desk with a light green keyboard and a pair of sunglasses on it. There's also a computer monitor in the background that is also light green.
Okay, nice. Can you tell me about this sunglasses?
Certainly. The sunglasses are dark tinted, likely gray or black. The lenses transition from a darker color at the top to a lighter shade at the bottom. The frames appear to be silver or a light metal color and have the car-shaped logo on the top of the right lens.
Okay, very good. What do you see now?
Now I see an arm wearing a black smartwatch.
What smartwatch is it?
That appears to be an Apple Watch. It has a dark band and a screen displaying app icons.
What does it say right now?
The Apple Watch screen displays that it is 2:02. It also shows that there are no events scheduled today and that the battery is at 14%. Finally, it indicates a step count of 3.9 and that it is Sunday.
And that was Gemini, Realtime AI Studio. I had a lot of fun creating this video and I hope you learned a thing or two as well. I'm going to teach you all about Google AI Studio in further videos, and just to make sure you don't miss any of them, hit that like and subscribe button, and I'm going to see you very soon. Take care.